Good morning. You join us on a beautiful Sunday morning here in Western Australia. At the time of recording this is the 9th of March, and we've got important Big Blue news. In the previous couple clips in this part of the video, you would know that we had Yogi from Kendall Trucking come out to try and load Big Blue up onto the trailer to take him off to his new home. But the starter motor, which actually gives the engine enough kick to actually turn over, because the engine was going roo, 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 roo. What? Like, wasn't cranking over very fast. Well, we've got a new starter motor put in there. We put that in off screen. I didn't have the camera rolling because, well, obviously I needed to focus on helping Dad actually fixing the tractor, and I didn't have any really good spots to put the GoPro while we were doing it. Good news! Big Blue will start. And even better news, it starts better than it ever has before in all of the 13 years we've had it. It sounds almost like a completely different tractor with how quick it starts up. I won't start it up for you now because we'll save that for later on. Maybe on the actual day that the truck comes again, because there's not much fuel left in that tractor. We need to conserve that as much as possible and make sure we don't drain the batteries. But what we're actually going to be doing today is, well, you may have seen on YouTube Shorts that we were digging holes with this piece of machinery right here, the Ram Drill PhD that says Digga. So it digs holes, basically. This is what we call a post hole digger. This is what we use for making the job of digging through harder ground a lot faster than it would usually take if we were to do it by hand. And over here we've got the stands for the loading ramp, which you can see the two holes here. We have been meaning to put that frame up to actually complete this loading ramp for a couple of years, because previously there was a really old shoddy loading ramp that came before this one. But when we rebuilt the yards, we've been continuously rebuilding them over the past couple of years. Rebuilding these yards is basically like me designing various model railways. They always change. But yeah, we put the new loading ramp in place. It's been like this for a couple of years now. Until recently, it's always been held up by that barrel over there. Now, this is not recommended to do at home, but basically we just held it on a barrel as a temporary measure until we had the time to dig holes to finally put that in place and concrete it in. And whenever we had like a big double deck B-double trailer come through, we always employed Little Red Tractor on actually holding up the ramp so that we could load sheep. But now, today, we are measuring up the ramp here, and we've dug the holes a couple of days ago, and hopefully we'll be able to concrete these in and finally complete the loading ramp. So we got all the bits cut off it, and it looks a bit skew-iff, but this is completely intentional. As we'll see in a second, the holes where this is going to go in, they're actually, one's deeper than the other because of the different soil types. Oh, that's not good.
Oh, this is the one without the other end.
Oh no. Do you want me to go get the other one? Hopefully that holds. So it's a situation where we need the tractor to hold it steady so that it's nice and level, but at the same time the tractor's in the road.
Yeah.
Holes are now concreted. Now it's just a case of smoothing them out, which you can see Dad doing now. And then when it sets, then we can release the tractor from holding it up.
Make sure it's bloody straight still. Good enough that way. I don't know if I can nail it.
close enough. So Dad's gonna wash down the cement mixer, put it back on the trailer. I need to go and dump this gravel back where I found it. And then we'll be off to get some lunch. We're gonna leave this video here. Because I might split it up and just have big blue clips be for when the tractor actually goes. Because, well, this channel is not about Big Blue, this channel is about Ehrenfeld, and the work on Ehrenfeld needs to continue. I've been very slack on outros so far this year, but if you made it to the end of this video and you like what you see and you want to help support the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. It always is greatly appreciated. And well, like the video or we'll tip a bucket of gravel on you. And send dust everywhere. Yeah. Cheers for watching, everyone. I've been the Johnny Man, you've been my audience. Stay safe in this crazy world we live in. Keep the sheep, and we'll see you next time. See ya.